Every night you enter a world where anything is possible. You can fly, break rules, change reality. What if you could become aware inside your dreams and control everything? This is called lucid dreaming. It's the moment you realize you're dreaming while still inside the dream. Imagine you're walking somewhere, and suddenly something feels off. You look at your hands. They don't look normal. That's when it hits you. This is a dream. And the moment you realize that, you gain control. You can fly, teleport, create anything. But there's a problem. Most people wake up instantly, or lose control within seconds. So how do you actually do it? First, build awareness during the day. Ask yourself multiple times, am I dreaming? Check small details. Look at your hands. Look at text or clocks. In dreams, these things behave strangely. If you build this habit in real life, your brain will repeat it in dreams. Second, use your sleep cycle. Lucid dreams happen more in the early morning. Sleep for about 5 to 6 hours. Wake up for a few minutes, then go back to sleep. Your body falls asleep, but your mind stays aware. Third, the dream. When you realize you're dreaming, don't get excited. Focus on your surroundings. Rub your hands together. Move slowly. This helps you stay in the dream longer. Fourth, start small. Don't try to control everything instantly. Try simple things first. Jump higher. Move objects. Control builds over time. Lucid dreaming takes practice. But once it works, you unlock a world where you control reality itself. And tonight, before you sleep, ask yourself one question. Am I dreaming? Because one day, you'll ask that question inside a dream. And when that happens, everything changes.